Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. It's Friday. Hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend. This is going to be a quick short video. We're just going to show you here some of our plants. Lord willing, next week we'll start hardening them off. That's the main thing I was going to show you today in the video. Carolyns flowers, they're coming on good. We're going to have to get those cherry tomatoes there up potted. But anyway, out here I'll show you what we did, or we're going to try for hardening them off this year. Try to make it a little bit easier. Alrighty folks, hopefully you can hear me. The winds are blowing out here. We're going to try this here for Carolyn to harden off her plants this year. Took 2 cattle panels and just pulled over. She'll have the flat up here, put the plants on, and we've got our greenhouse plastic. We had some excess left over, been saving it. And what we'll do, we're not going to do it today. The wind is really coming through pretty strong. But what we'll do, we'll take that plastic, pull over the top, and then when she gets ready to harden them off, her and Daniel will be here. They can unroll the plastic back over from the top. Then come time there for just cover it right back up. Tomorrow, unroll it. Just keep extending it out like that there. Be the same thing as in the greenhouse, except there about you'll be able to take the plastic on and off. Should make hardening them off a whole lot easier, hopefully. But yeah, we would do it today. We'll see what the weather's going to do. Carolyn has been hardening off the peppers, and we need to get the tomatoes hardened off. Tomorrow night, I believe they're giving upper 30s, lower 40s, so they'll stay in the greenhouse for tomorrow night and probably Saturday night. But we'll let you know how it works. It should make hardening them off a whole lot easier. Folks, also, don't forget, Mother's Day's weekend here. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And if y'all would, Saturday, wish Carolyn a happy birthday. She turns 39. Yeah. Folks, everybody stay safe. Thank you again for watching. We hope. Folks, this is just a quick short video. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there. Thank you all for watching.